Whoa, hold on to your leashes. We're diving straight into the world of colossal canines. Top three largest dogs coming your way. Starting off strong with the English Mastiff. These gentle giants hold the title for heaviest dog breed, with some weighing in at over 200 pounds. They're like a small bear that just wants to cuddle. Next up, the Saint Bernard. Known for their heroic alpine rescues, these dogs can reach up to 35 inches in height. Talk about a tall tale. And finally, the Great Dane. These dogs are the tallest on record, standing at a whopping 44 inches. That's over 3.5 feet of pure doggo. And there you have it, the top three largest dog breeds. Remember, size isn't everything, but it sure is impressive.